Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirja Dikshit, and as you can see in today's video, something is different, right? So what is different today? It's 4th of March today and tomorrow is my birthday. So I came to celebrate my birthday with my sister. We are right now in New Delhi, and we in today's video is actually special. It is a little different from a different vibe from the other things that I have already been recording for so long. Okay, it will be a completely different vibe. In today's video, I am going to talk about 5 lessons that I have learned on the occasion of my birthday. Why 5 lessons? Why not the age that I'm turning? Is simply because my birthday is on 5th of March. So I will tell you 5 lessons that I have learned over the period of time due to these teachings that were given to me by life. I'm able to do better. I would love to share my lessons with you. Stay tuned in this video, and what else is gonna be different is it will be a get ready with me GRWM. It is for the very first time that I'm going to make a GRWM video. I am going for my birthday dinner this later tonight. So I will now get ready. I'll show you what dress I'm wearing, and also I will do some of my makeup as well. So सबसे पहले तो I need to take off my glasses, my specs. Really cannot wear these all the time, and it is very difficult for me to see what is on screen at the moment. It is just blurred. I'll quickly apply some moisturizer. Me and my sister, we consult same dermat, and he suggested us this really good moisturizer. So I forgot to tell you which moisturizer I'm using. This is Aquasoft FC. Wonderful moisturizer. I don't know when did I become a fashion influencer, but anyways, yeah. So now this one is Mars का primer. ये मुझे मेरी friend ने suggest किया था, and since then I've been using this one. I love this. Oh, I forgot that I'm making this video to tell you the lessons that I have learned. Okay, so I'll start with the very first lesson that life has taught me lately. Number one is alignment. Now, what do I mean by alignment is I have been taught by life that if you are not aligned with yourself, there will be a lot of chaos in your life. And no matter what you are doing, no matter how much you are trying to cling on to something, if it does not align with your life, there will be a lot of chaos and you will not be satisfied internally. Okay, I have experienced this last year when I was doing a regular full-time job. During that time, my life was so, what can I say, upside down. Okay, I was just not happy at all, no matter how much I tried to do it, and I was not even able to perform good at during that job. So it was better that if I quit and I tried to align myself. Now, apart from this, there have been people as well. Alignment also is in context with people, the people that you associate yourself with. They can also be not so good in your alignment. When you will have them in your surroundings, you will always be filled with a lot of anxiety, or you will feel like "Ki, what is happening to me?" If you will not be in alignment, there will be a lot of chaos in your life. That's it. Now I will of course put some lip balm as well. I love this lip balm. I कैसे दिखाते हैं? हाँ, this is a Tipsy Beauty lip balm. Moisturizing lips is very important. That is what I wanted to say. All right. So now we are done with the lip balm thing. Okay. We have done the moisturizer part. We have done the primer part. If any makeup artist is watching this video, please excuse my makeup skills because I'm just a beginner. We have recently bought some makeup. Now the second lesson that life has taught me is make money ASAP. Now what I mean by ASAP is the moment you turn 18 or even before 18, if you get any chances to make money, please do that. It does not matter the type of family that you come from. Okay? Even if you have a very affluent background, very wealthy, very rich background, and you do not have to worry about money, please do. I'm saying this because I have felt the need to make money, I don't know, maybe since I was 16 or 17. And when I started making money, it makes sense now. I am able to do better in life now. Now we will go move towards the concealer part. Concealer that I'm gonna use is this Color Bar concealer that we have just bought, and I love the packaging, by the way. Like, this is in orange. Orange is my one of the favorite colors. Third lesson is no compromises in life. It is resonating with the first lesson, which was about alignment. Now if you are not aligned in your life, it means you are compromising on life. So if you will compromise, keep on compromising in life, you will keep on building resentments in your life. You can also build resentment towards your own self, because why are you suppressing your emotions? Why are you not letting the feelings out? Why are you not letting your full potential rise and do better in life? So if you are doing any type of compromise, life will throw it at you very harshly, and you will realize it that it was a mistake. And what I mean by compromises again is you do not take care of yourself enough. This is what I mean by compromise. Compromising in friendships, compromising in relationships, compromising in jobs. If you feel like you can do better than this, please do better than this. Choose it for yourself, because sooner or later you are going to realize that you have done a mistake if you have not done it earlier. Now I will put some concealer on my face. This concealer is also from color bar. I think I have already talked about this. I've been trying to do makeup for ages, but this is recently that I have got my hands on it. I mean, now I feel a little comfortable while using some makeup. I really don't know the styles of makeup. I will go with a very basic one. How do I look? I look gorgeous. All right, so we are almost done with the concealer part. Why do I feel like my phone is gonna unstick itself? Just let me do it. At one point you will realize that you are compromising and it will not sit right with you. This is what life has taught me lately. Kindly excuse me for some time till the time I blend it. Blend. I think I've blended it enough. Yes, do we like it? Yes, we like it. We'll see what we can do for the eyes. With this, let me come to the lesson number 4, which is emotional energy is the new currency. A lot of people underestimate the idea of giving or exchanging their energies with other people. I don't. Okay, earlier I also used to do that, but nowadays I keep an eye over, or I'm very picky with the type of people I associate myself with, because energy is the new currency. आप जैसे लोगों के साथ you will hang out, you will be like them only. Light will be gone out of your eyes, and it will be very late till you will realize. Wow, it is rhyming nice. So या तो मेकअप ही कर सकती हूँ या फिर मैं आपको लेसन ही बता सकती हूँ, but I will try my best to do it. We will put some blush over here. This is a lipstick cum blush. It can be used both ways. I love this one. All right, so I was saying energy is the new currency, and you need to be very, very suspicious of people that you are letting around you. Also, there are a lot of things like you experience the vibes on your own, right? Isn't it? Like when somebody is not right for you or somebody is bothering you on an energetical level or a spiritual level, you will be able to realize that this person is not the one. Completely all right. There are no harsh feelings to it. Okay, it does not mean that the other person is bad or something like that. No, it's just that your time with them is over, and it could be in any relationship. It could be in friendships, it could be in your partnerships, it could be in professional relationships as well. Okay, when we switch companies, why do we switch it? It could be due to two reasons. Of course, we need a hike. Second reason is you do not like the vibe. And it happens with a lot of people that they switch their companies simply because they either do not like the toxic environment or they want more money. It means that the present company is not aligning, but that does not mean the company is bad. Okay, it just simply means you have outgrown that environment and you want to switch to a better place. All right, with this we are almost on the final step of our मेकअप रूटीन. अब ये मुझे नहीं पता था कि ब्लश बाद में लगेगा या ये कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर जो है वो पहले लगता है. आई विल यूज कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर लेटर आफ्टर आई यूज माई ब्लश. ओके, so now we will take some compact. I've talked about 4 lessons, I guess, till now. Now I will talk about the fifth and last lesson, which is last but not the least. Okay, something very, very important is to keep your mouth shut. Now, what do I mean by this is whenever you are planning anything to do in your life, do not disclose it before it happens. I have experienced it multiple times क्योंकि मेरी जुबान जो है कभी कभी ज़्यादा चल जाती है and I disclose my strategies. I disclose what I'm going to do next. And I've seen people stealing it sometimes. Sometimes they steal it and sometimes the things they do not happen. Now, why does it happen? It is not because they want bad, it is simply there is some kind of energy which leads to failure of those strategies or plans. Is there even any difference in my makeup before and after? I'll check in the video later on. Okay, now we are done with the face facial makeup. Yes. So with this, I was also saying that if you are somebody who announces their plans prematurely, please keep your mouth shut. Learn how to not disclose your plans before they happen, before they turn into reality. And I'll tell you something, like I wanted to do a lot of things for my company, which is Skillshift, and I announced them beforehand to a few people, and those things never happened. It never happened. It is, I don't know when it is going to happen, but yeah, I will not blame other people for it not happening, but it is something that something affects it. I believe in this. Something affects it. I don't know what it is, but something does. Okay. So now I will show you the shadow that I am gonna apply. This is the palette that we have, Swiss Beauty. I will be wearing two dresses, by the way. One is the denim dress and the another one is my the birthday dress. I will show you both of them, but before that, let me apply the eyeshadow part quickly. So those were the 5 lessons that I wanted to talk about. See, I'm not saying that anyone else is going to impact the destiny that you have, but somewhere energies do impact. They create an impact over your life. So stay cautious. Now we will move towards completing our look. Please excuse how my eye makeup is looking right now. I don't know. थोड़ा blending ठीक से हो जाएगी तो will be better. I will see it later on. Now I'm done. I will fill up my brows quickly and I'll show you what I am going to wear. थोड़ा difficult तो है ये videos बनाना because continuously you have to keep thinking about what to say next. लेकिन I'm enjoying it. Should I put some wings around my eyes? Will it look nice? No. Should I practice at least? Is there any difference? Not really. I do not like my eye makeup. It looks so unblended. I think I'm gonna laugh at this video somewhere in future if I watch it again. So I think we are done with almost all the things. I also want to put some mascara today. मैंने काफी टाइम से mascara नहीं लगाया है. You need to understand or you need to learn how to laugh at yourself. Have you ever laughed at yourself? I just did. Like I told you, I'm gonna laugh at myself in the future when I will see my eye makeup and if I will be able to do better in future in terms of makeup. And same thing goes a lot about other things in your life. Why I am saying this is because you need to look like a beginner initially. If you do not have the guts to look like a beginner, people will make your fun, and if you're not ready to laugh at yourself, then there will be a problem. You see the difference? I love it. Hmm. Now I will show you the dress. अच्छा मैंने lips तो अपने किए ही नहीं है. Do you like my nails, by the way? I love them. Aren't they cool? Should I put on some gloss as well? Right now, I'm not in the mood to put some gloss. See, I have a scarf as well. I love the scarf. I love scarves nowadays. मैं काफी सारे scarves खरीदे हैं मैंने. So I think I'm done with my makeup. Apart from the makeup that I have to remove from my under my eyes. आराम से निकल जाओ, निकल जाओ. एक बार ना मैं इसको ड्राई होने देती हूँ, फिर इसके बाद इसको और ड्राई होने देती हूँ. ड्राई तो हो गया है. फिर इसके बाद देखते हैं इसको. Let me show you the dress that I'm going to wear today. So this is the denim dress that I will be wearing. अभी कुछ खास नहीं लगेगी. I will first wear it and then I will show you. This is the dress. Now the birthday dress that I will wear. The birthday dress is this one. I will wear it tomorrow morning. Now I will quickly change and show you all that how I will be looking. Do you like these earrings or not? I think they look cool. And what am I gonna do with my hair? They are going to stay as it is. I think I can do an updo as well. What do you say? Suggest. Mhm. Oh, we'll look out for the hair later on. So this is the dress that I will be wearing, and now let me show you how I look. One more thing to show you. These are the classic heels that I will be wearing underneath. These are my favorite, and see how beautiful the contrast is. So this is the whole look. I love these heels. How do you like the wearing? Do I look good? I am ready for my birthday dinner. Okay, all right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my video. And let me put on my glasses. How do I look with glasses? Thank you so much for watching. That's it for this video. I'll see you in next video. And this is my look with glasses. I hope you loved watching me, and all the lessons that I talked about are very, very important. And at least this is what life has taught me, which made my life even better. And I hope same for you. Thank you so much for watching. Without specs, I cannot see. Bye bye.